the question I had was, I'm an active member in bankruptcy. I have, I'm supposed to be in it for 5 years. The largest amount of my payments were to back taxes. Okay, I found out through my lawyer that I've paid off the back taxes, which was like the 45% of my debt.
Okay.
And I asked, could my payments that I'm making...
Hold on just a second, Gina. Can you hear her?
I just picked up in on the last part.
Okay. Hey, Tracy, just backtrack a little bit just to make sure she understands what you're asking, since she is...
I'm an active member in bankruptcy.
Okay.
I've been, I'm supposed to be in it for 5 years. I've been in it 4 years now. And I found out 6 months ago that the largest portion of my debt, which was to back taxes, it was like 45% of my debt. It has been paid out. And the question I asked my lawyer was, now that my back taxes has been paid out, could the amount that I pay biweekly, could that amount be reduced? And he said it couldn't. And I didn't understand that if the largest portion of my debt has been paid out, why am I still paying the same amount biweekly?
All right. Thank you, Tracy.
Well, when you set your plan, you usually divide it over 60 months. And so they have determined how much is going to get paid over those 60 months. And so it might take the same payment to pay out the rest of your debt. If it doesn't take that amount, then I would suggest getting with your lawyer and seeing if he can do a reduction in the payment due to a change in circumstance, such as a change in your income, your change in expenses, and something like that. But normally the payments are pretty much fixed for the 5 years.
Gene, is that the only way really that you can make a change in your plan once you've developed and signed off on the plan, is if you have a change in circumstance?
That's true normally, Kirby. You've got to have some sort of change in circumstance, a job loss or an additional person in the family, more expenses. But normally when that confirmation order is entered, which is your ticket into bankruptcy basically, there's not much you can do to change it unless there's a change.